Entalpic is a company that builds an AI platform to discover better materials for a variety of applications: semiconductors, so computer chips, catalysis, and batteries. And since we're at the edge of science, we need to balance both long-term research capabilities and short-term delivery for clients.
Entalpic is actually a startup in this field which will do many breakthroughs in material sciences and the overall materials design workflow. So the basic idea is that startups are interested into techniques that will not only be scientific rigorous but also will be deployable in real-world applications.
In our case, actually, we are collaborating with Entalpic in order to leverage our complementary expertise. On the one hand, Entalpic is bringing its expertise in generative artificial intelligence, and in our case, at IFPEN, we are providing recognized skills in the field of heterogeneous catalysis.
In fact, startups are moving very, very fast. So essentially, I would say this creates a very, very interesting synergy where we can see ideas like from conception up to production moving very fast, and definitely this accelerates scientific research.
We must have a complementary approach because indeed acceleration should not mean compromising the results. We have to keep the right level of quality of science, in particular for a thesis where scientific excellence is expected. That's very important.
I chose to do a CIFRE PhD because I think that's the perfect bridge between the end of studies and industry.
I think working both with academic lab and a startup helps you widen your perspectives.
We have this long-term research project that you have to put in the perspective of a short-term, fast-moving industry. And there is obviously a question of what to explore more and when to give up. And this comes way more in a CIFRE PhD, I feel, and having like these two words is a good way to find that compromise.
Yeah, definitely having an industrial side to your research helps you also shape your objectives, mid-term, long-term, and having a clear view of where you're going in your research. At the same time, having the space to take the time, having an academic side also to it.
For me, being in this setting is also a good way to understand the importance of collaboration, because you're into a bigger project, you have a bigger picture, and you plug into this very nicely.
I think collaborating with other researchers keeps you motivated, and for me, it keeps also science fun and exciting. My advice to future CIFRE PhDs at Entalpic would be to learn as much as they can from the people surrounding them and take it all in.
Also, one advice is that this is a great learning experience because it teaches you discipline and you have to navigate between two different worlds. So just be proactive about this and try to find a way to manage your time, to keep deep work, but also to be ready for urgency and more short-term things.
I think this collaboration between CentraleSupélec and Entalpic on our side is perhaps like a unique opportunity where essentially we can see how the machine learning models, the graph neural network models that we design can be applied in real workflows and real pipelines. And again, overall, we expect that these will advance scientific research and will have direct impacts in the environment and in industrial processes in general.